What's up, YouTube? Thanks for checking out my video. I got some airsoft action from Frontier Fortress in Sicklerville, New Jersey. Get a bunch of questions about what type of guns I use. For these games, I was using a Classic Army G36 HPA with an Inferno engine. Go ahead, guys. You can just start up.
Alright, we're good from here. We're good from here.
Yep, you did see that correctly. These guys were here for a bachelor party. They had a great time and they were good sports. Lots of fun. Yeah. Sam, we have a sniper down 12 o'clock. Watch it. He's got good spot. I'm not sure where he is. We took a couple guys out on the 2 and 3 o'clock positions, so we should only have the 12 o'clock sniper. You got him. Nice. All right, cover fire again. Good fight, Blue. Red, push up. Sniper left. Can we get somebody to push up to this next corner up here? Are you by yourself, or? I'll give you cover on my side here. We need to get somebody up to this. Hard right, into the woods. Watch the hard right, 3 o'clock, George, yep. Good. Can we have somebody take that hard position on that bunker there? Is that safe?
Run. I don't know yet. I'm going to try it. You guys might be able to push up on the side.
Hit. Right on the other side, Red, right on the other side. Tear him up, push. He's down. I told you. There's one more. Take him out. All right, let's retake it. moving up, right hand side. Keep going, keep going. I got right side, Go. Blue's down. Focus on the right, red. Good. Protect my back.
We got the move right.
Right side. Right side. Hit. Good trade. No cards. Just pulls. Timed. Attack and defend.
So yes, I still do have one AEG. It was crazy hot, and I'll be honest,
Guy. What's up, man?
Let's go.
I switched to this to be able to take off my HPA rig.
Hit. GoPro. Cover fire for me.
3, 2.
Go. Cover fire. We have more numbers, so we just have to fire. And anybody not firing, keep pushing up. Yeah, good. I'll cover. Move around, guys. Move around. Cover for me. Laser. Crossing. He's shooting this way. This way, George.
To your left?
No.
That way.
Yeah. You can shoot over the top a little bit. Got plenty of tree cover. Yeah. Blue laser. Blue laser. Don't worry about the blue. Fire at the blue laser. Gun.
Hit. From where? That was point blank.